What's up, everybody? Charlie with 18 State Outdoors. Today, I'm going to show you my Overlander truck camping setups. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, first things first. 2015 F-150 short bed. Got a used ARE Z-Series camper top on it. This is the one with the folding or fold-out windows, not the sliding, but you know, make do with what you got. It's got the carpeted headliner all around. I threw in the bed rug for my truck bed. Did a do-it-yourself bed and everything. Y'all want to check that out? That'll be the follow-up video for this one. Let me give you a little tour. The first thing you notice is this little section right here. I'm actually a little too tall for the bed, so I got to sleep at an angle. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's okay. Second, I have two cots, the mattresses for the cots that I sleep on. Little sleeping bag, a pillow, makes do. These little cushions, like I said, that's for the feet. I got my little Mr. Buddy heater, my Blue Eddy little power station. I just got that, so that should be pretty cool this year. Got me a little Magellan 2-burner propane stove. Now, if you didn't watch the how-to on how I made the bed, this little part pulls out. You can get to your burner if you want to. I also have bins in here. I got 3 bins in there. Let me show you how else you can get to that. All right, so I'm in the truck now, and with the bed, it just lifts up and it exposes all the bins. So you can get to it by opening the bed or pulling it out. Either way it works. All right, so to give you an idea about what I carry with me when I go hunting or camping, what have you. Starting in this bin, I got some extra 1-pound propane tanks. I think I have 6 of them. 2-burner Magellan propane stove. Some hunting supplies as far as cleaning supplies, scent killer, things like that. I have 2 cushions from cots. I have some cold weather hunting gear. I have my Blue Eddy power station, Mr. Buddy heater, and typically I'll bring just one of my sleeping bags. 2 of those are my kids. And pretty much all those bins and a sleeping bag goes under that bed I just showed y'all. But to give y'all a better idea what I meant by the bed pulling up, each bed, well, the bed's in 3 sections. You can just lift up. You can get to the bins right here, or you can pull them out to the section that I'm in and expose everything else. As far as where I am in a tiny little cubby hole that I left for just such an occasion. With this little area, you can put your feet under here. You got a nice little table to eat on if you need to. But I got a Mr. Buddy heater I can put up here, or I can put down here. Blue Yeti I can put up here. In a little bit, I'm going to be building a ice chest cooler. You know that's going in here. It's pretty hot where I'm at sometimes in the summer, or in October, I'm sorry. So I'm going to be making that in the next video probably. But that's pretty much it for this, guys. It's real simple, minimalistic. It's got all the necessities you need and nothing really you don't. So, as always, appreciate y'all tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Take care, guys.